Hi guys, it's just Gareth again with a little update. So I've been spending a lot of time over the last couple of weeks just updating things like encryption, HTTP transfer, and a few other vital components that need to be done on the back end to deal with the ability to upload files and feedback and bugs and everything. And I wanted to just demonstrate some of the feedback tools that we have in the game now. So when you're playing on mobile or whenever you are playing on PC and we have our testing phases going through, you'll now be able to submit feedback or suggestions or bug reports which will be catalogued on a website. So I'm just going to run it here. So you can see where we've got a few oh, sorry, not that one. I'll just run the script here, and what this essentially does is it allows anyone to report something immediately without having to wait. So, and I get it, it provides a screenshot. It also uploads a file with a system log, tells us what kind of basic device specs you're running, so we can troubleshoot device specific issues. But if we try here, if I just oops, I probably typed that wrong. Did I type that wrong? Yes, I did. Right, so right, so if we log into here, you'll see in the end it's actually got it in faded. Yeah, press F12 to submit feedback, but that will be removed. But basically on mobile, you'll have a button which you can press, and whilst you're on PC, just press F12. So let's say we're gonna go into somewhere. I don't know. Let's say we're going into the cards, and for some reason. When you look at your cards don't update. Let's just say you want to complain about that. So we go here, we click upgrade, but I don't know, it's at 69, something didn't work well. We can just press F12 and then you can select, right, so we think it's a bug. We're just going to say card didn't upgrade, I think. Um, I tried to upgrade the card, but it didn't work. I don't think it did. Anyway, I don't have the materials. Whoop, hello, my spelling. The materials in my inventory anymore neither. Okay, so you can send that in. You can leave an email address. It's obviously if you want a response personally, then you can leave an email address. Alternatively, you can just go to the website, which you'll see all of the updates and all the pending queries. So we'll do this now. We'll just say it from Mr. Grumpy um, at somebodysucks.com. Okay. I don't know what that is, it's a random one, but we think that's really high priority. We want our stuff, so we're going to click submit, and you'll get a little confirmation up here in a second that says feedback submitted, and we're just going to pop over now and check it on the server. So now this is hosted on Trello, so you can see some other little ones that I've tested here, but we've just submitted another bug and we said it was thing, and there it is. So here we go. If we click on here, it will send us a screenshot of where it was, what was happening on the screen, just to make sure it corroborates. Yeah, 6917, 6917. Yep. Tells me card didn't upgrade. Email address. It also tells us what happened, or what didn't happen. It tells us basic information about the computer and what was running it. It also provides a log, so the log will tell you here there's a list of things that happened or didn't happen that we need to investigate, and we use them logs in order to kind of pinpoint what might be happening. At the end of it, when I want to respond to it, or any one of our admin team wants to respond, I don't think you can see this, so I'll just put this up here. But basically, there's a point down here, and just say took a look at it, and you got your item. Everything worked well. Thanks for the report. And then we just go, don't want to watch it because I don't want any more updates. It's going to be solved. There we go. We've done that. We'll go back to it. And if anybody else wants to come and have a look, we can now move that across to the resolve board. And now it's not in the active section. We can basically go back here if we want to in the future. Take a little look. Oh yes, right. Yep, that's how we resolved it. We've got the screenshots, everything's been done, and now finally if we want to take it off the website, so we consider it cleanup time, we can archive that one, and now it's not on the board anymore. Same with this one here. If we want to archive that, we think it's all done. Done. And there is a way to get the archived ones back. I haven't figured that out yet, but the archived ones can actually be brought back should it reappear the issue. But yeah, so this is what I've been working on. Well, today and over the last week. Now that we have the comprehensive reporting system integrated with Trello. This is really good for visibility for investors, for you guys just to see what's happening, and it's one place where we can take all of our feedback and our bug reports, and you can see the process of the progress of each report. Obviously, some things like vital data, like email addresses and stuff, we'll have to find a way to maybe hide them. I don't know if we can maybe make them private because we don't want everybody seeing your email address. But we could just remove the ability to leave an email address. We could do that. Anyway, right, enough babbling on from me. That was what I've been up to for the last week or so. I've started it, and you keep seeing the same little screen. Nothing much has changed, but the systems in the background, guys. Like I've done so much work in the last 2 months on getting this stuff like ready and working. The ship script, the weapon script, the utility scripts, the actual whole back end on how the game manages things with the inventory. I do have to do a little work on the card system, so that the card system accurately represents. At the moment, you see in our inventory, we've got a couple of weapons here, and obviously I've changed all of these icons. We've added a lot more information. We can actually go to our scripts. I'm going off a bit off topic here, but I'll just show you on our scriptable object here. Um, can you see this? I don't know if you can see this. If I pull these in over here, oh, actually it's going to be a bit of a mess. Yeah, sorry, this is why I shouldn't go off script. But basically, I've created templates, or scriptable objects they're called, where we can create ships, give them all of these attributes. We have weapons that do the same, so you can see here there's defense stats, there's shield stats. We've got different elements on the ships themselves. We can set the ratings, the core power, which is what you need to run any of the mods or any of the weapons. You use as your core power supply, and each one of them weapons has a cost. We have movement speed, max speed. We can change all of this just with sliders. Few booleans just to see is it tradable, is it craftable, is it upgradable. A list of panels that can be displayed on the inventory screen, which are these things here, and statuses. Are you stealthy, invincible, invisible, whatever. If we go across, so I've pulled half my damn thing off the screen. Let's pull this back across, and there we go. Right, and we can go down here to maybe utility mods. They've got this a similar thing here. So you can see we've got shield generator here. It's got a stealth value here, invisibilities, different things. Max speed, thrusters, blink, teleport. These are all the different things that are going to be able, all the different effects that a utility mod might be able to offer. Of course, not all of them are going to be active on each mod. It's just a case of these are the different types that we've kind of come up with initially, and there will be more added to that in the future. I'm starting to ramble on, but again, weapons are the same thing. You know, you get it. We've got them firing patterns. We've got other attributes and panels to display. Cool. Right, I want to wrap it up there because I wasn't meant to show you that anyway. I got sidetracked, but I'm hoping to get on with the card system over the next week. So I want to have these cards synced up to the actual well, whatever's in your inventory, because at the moment we've got all of these things in your inventory, but the card system here, which is all of your equipable items, weapons, utility mods, ships, and any abilities might go in there as well. But they should have their own upgrade system and a table of kind of upgradable element, um, requirements in order to upgrade them from one level to the next. And we need to get that sorted out. So I'm going to work on that over the next kind of week or two. I'm still a little bit behind because I've had to implement some of this stuff, and I do have the HTTP stuff to wrap up, but I'm really desperately trying to get on with the gameplay as soon as possible, guys. Right, okay, I'm done. Thanks very much for sticking around with us. Appreciate you checking in as always, and I hope that this, I don't know, inspires you to check in a little bit more frequently now. Right, okay, that's me done. Thanks for checking in. I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.